Dear students, in this video lecture I am going to explain Bytonic sorting technique. Bytonic sorting technique. So before going to learn Bytonic sorting technique, we have to know the concepts what we call 0-1 principle and as well as Bytonic sequence. What is 0-1 principle? The 0-1 principle says that if sorting network, that means comparison network, works correctly when each input is drawn from the set 0 and 1. So the 0-1 principle says that the comparison network correctly works when each input is drawn from the set 0-1. Then it works correctly on arbitrary input numbers. The numbers can be integer, real, or in general any set of values from any linearly ordered set. Here what the 0-1 principle says that if you take any input sequence from the set 0-1 and the comparison network works correctly for this 0-1 set, then automatically your comparison network works correctly on any arbitrary input numbers. The numbers may be the integer, real, or any in general any set of values from a linearly ordered set. This is called 0-1 principle. So 0-1 principle means the comparison network works correctly for the input sequence zeros and ones taken from the set 0-1. This network can also work correctly for the any arbitrary input numbers. Arbitrary input numbers means you can take any integer values also, you can take float values also, or any set of values from any linear ordered set, it will work correctly. This is called 0-1 principle. So based on the 0-1 principle, your comparison network sorting the any arbitrary numbers, if it is work for the 0-1 input sequence, that is called 0-1 principle. That means the 0-1 principle says that if any comparison network work correctly for the input sequence zeros and ones taken from the set 0-1, then that same network can also work correctly for any arbitrary numbers set. That is called 0-1 principle. So sometimes you will get 0-1 principle for 2 marks and 3 marks also. So you have to remember the definition for 0-1 principle. So only two conditions are there. If a comparison network is work correctly for the input sequence zeros and ones which is taken from the set 0-1, then automatically this same network can work for any arbitrary set of values taken linearly from the set. This is the 0-1 principle. Next we go for Bytonic sequence. What is the definition for Bytonic sequence? What sequence we call as the Bytonic sequence? A sequence that monotonically increase and then monotonically decreases. So any sequence in the given input values, it is monotonically increases and then monotonically decreases. That means in the given input sequence, first it increase some up to some level and then start decreasing next level. So the numbers in the sequence must be in increasing order first, then decreasing order. Then we say that the sequence is Bytonic sequence. Or circularly shifted to become monotonically increasing and then monotonically decreasing is called Bytonic sequence. So ఇచ్చిన sequence లో ఉండే నంబర్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉండి తర్వాత డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్న బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్ అంటాం. సపోజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్, వీ షిఫ్టెడ్ circularly so that after performing some shift operation on that given input sequence, again your sequence becomes monotonically increasing and then decreasing pattern. Then we say that your sequence is Bytonic sequence. So I will explain an example through so that you can clearly understand what is the Bytonic sequence. Suppose I have given a sequence 146832. So this is the sequence I have given and asking that whether it is a Bytonic sequence or not. So what is the definition of Bytonic sequence? In a given sequence, numbers are in increasing order and then decreasing order. Coming to see 1, 4 increasing, 6 increasing, 8 increasing, then 3 decreasing, 2 decreasing. That means in the given sequence 1, 4, 6, 8 up to this one increasing order, then 8 3 2 3 2 is this is decreasing order. So that means in the given input sequence, first the numbers in some increasing order, then after some time again it is decreasing order. So this given sequence in the above sequence 1 to 4 in increasing and from 3 to 2 is decreasing. Therefore 1 to 8 is increasing and from 3 to 2 is decreasing. Therefore, as for the definition of Botanic sequence, the given sequence is Botanic sequence. So, ఇచ్చిన sequence Botanic sequence definition follow అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఈ sequence ని Botanic sequence అంటాం. So, we will take one more example. Here I have considering the example 6 9 4 2 3 5. Coming to here, whether it is Botanic sequence or not. See, 6 increasing, decreasing, decreasing, increasing, increasing. So it is not in the form of increasing and decreasing. See here, up to the here increasing, next decreasing. Once decreasing start, you should not go to the again increasing. So decreasing, then again go to the increasing state. So increasing, decreasing, while again increasing. So the sequence, when we say that sequence is Botanic sequence, it should be increasing, then decreasing. Not increasing and decreasing and again increasing. Only increasing and then decreasing, then we say the Botanic sequence. So as for the definition of Botanic sequence, it is not the Botanic sequence. So what we do is shifted, circularly shifted one time. So circularly shifted one time means 5 comes to in place of 6, 6 comes in place of 9, 9 comes 4, 4 comes to 2 place, 2 comes 3 place, 3 comes 5 place. So this is one shift. After that also it is not in Botanic sequence. Again perform one more time circularly. Now this time 3 comes in place of 5 and so on. Now see 3 increasing, 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 decreasing, decreasing. So up to this increasing, after shifted the sequence 6 9 to 2 times shifted circularly, the result sequence is 3 5 increasing up to this, 3 to 9 is increasing, then 9 to 2 is decreasing. So after performing the shifted 2 times circularly, the original list becomes a Botanic sequence. So this is the definition of Botanic sequence. So we will get 3 marks question also most of the time, what define Botanic sequence. So what the Botanic sequence is that in the given sequence, the numbers in monotonically increasing order and then monotonically decreasing order, or monotonically decreasing order and monotonically increasing order. Then we say that it is a Botanic sequence. If it is not in the Botanic sequence, we try to shift it circularly so that it becomes the Botanic sequence. Now once you know the definition of 0-1 principle and Botanic sequence, we try to come to the what is the actual technique of Botanic sorting, how to design a Botanic sorter. The Botanic sorter that will construct a comparison network that sort Botanic sequence of zeros and ones. Now first you design a Botanic comparison network. It will work for the 0-1 principle. It will work for the 0-1 principle. So once it apply the 0-1 principle. So what says the 0-1 principle? If the comparison network work for the sequence input sequence zeros and ones taken from the sequence 0-1, then it will also work for the arbitrary numbers. So what we try to do is in the Botanic sorter design, the Botanic sorter that will construct a comparison network. Already told the Botanic sorter based on the comparison network only. Now the comparison network concept we are using in the Botanic sorter to sort the numbers in sequence. Now what is the design of Botanic sorter means? In this design part, what we are trying to do is we design a comparison network and that sort Botanic sequence of zeros and ones. So we prove that this particular comparison network sorts the Botanic sequence zeros and ones. Later we will say that once it is correctly work for the 0-1 sequence, as per the 0-1 principle, we can say that this Botanic sorter can work for normal values, arbitrary values. For this, the Botanic sorter is composed of several stages, each of which is called a half cleaner. So Botanic sorter design cheyalante manamu half cleaners concept ichestam. What is half cleaner? We will see now. Each half cleaner is a comparison network of depth 1 in which the input line I is compared with input lines I plus n by 2 for I equal to n by 3. So this is half cleaner. Half cleaner ante this is comparison network. So comparison network ante we have to use the comparators. Once the comparator concept comes into the picture, what are the input lines we have to give it to the comparator? So that is the sequence we have to follow here. So what are the input lines we have to use? I compared with the I plus n by 2. So this is because Botanic sorter is the composed of several half cleaners. Each half cleaner is again a comparison network. Once it is a comparison network, so for the comparison network we have a combination of wires and comparators. Each comparator has to receive two input values. So if at all eight half cleaner, we are assuming that 8 inputs are there in this half cleaner, how to connect the input wires to the comparators? Which input wires we have to connect to the comparators? So the wire combinations we are given to the comparator is I is compared with the I plus n by 2. For example, n equal to 8. So 1 to 4 we are using 4 comparators. So ఎలా కంపేర్ చేయాలి? ఏ వైర్స్ని కంపారిటర్కి ఇవ్వాలి. ఫస్ట్ కంపారిటర్ I1 అయినప్పుడు 1 plus n by 2 8 by 24. సో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫిఫ్త్ వైర్ ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ఫస్ట్ కంపారిటర్. నెక్స్ట్ I equal 2 అయినప్పుడు 2 plus 4 by 2 2 plus 4 by 2 2 4. That means 2 4 we have to connect like that. So using this equation, I is compared with I plus n by 2 for I range 1 to n by 2. We can select the two input wires. Which two input wires you have to connect to the comparator. Thus that can be decided by this one. So I is compared with the ith wire is ith and I plus n by 2 wires connected to the comparator I. This is the formula used. Which wires in the comparison, which wires in the half cleaner connected to the comparator as input. Hello, చెప్పు ఎవరు? ఇద్దాను చెప్పు. ఏంటి విషయాలు? అందరూ బాగున్నారా చేదర్లో? ఏంటి విషయాలు? ఏదో మెసేజ్ పెట్టావు. అదే మాకు కూడా శాలరీ 3 months నుంచి లేదు. ఇప్పుడు కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల అన్ని కాలేజీలు మూసేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు కాలేజీలో హాలిడేస్ ఇచ్చేసారు 3 months నుంచి. చూస్తాను 2-3 daysలో పంపిస్తాను. ఏదంటే 2-3 daysలో పంపిస్తాను ఏదైనా ఉంటే. ఒక్కోసారి వేస్తారు, వేసినప్పుడు పంపిస్తాను. ఓకే బాగుంది. వస్తాను. ఓకే తర్వాత చేస్తాను. పనిలో ఉంది. Now it's an example how half cleaner is designed. Coming to here, Botanic sorter is designed with the help of half cleaners. Now we'll see how the half cleaner is exactly executed. Half cleaner 8. The half cleaner with 8 inputs and 8 outputs. Half cleaner ensures that every output of the top half is at least as small as every output element of bottom half. Both halves are Botanic and at least one half is clean. So మీకు 8 input half cleaner. This half cleaner is a comparison network. 8 input wires ఉన్నాయి. దీనికి input sequence తీసుకున్నాం 0 and 1s. So these are the 0 and 1s. So in half cleaner, how the wires are connected to the comparators. So 1 is connected to 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 5. Next 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8. This is the connection. Already we know I plus I2, I plus n by 2. So 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8. Now see. So 1, 5. 0, 1 is input. What is the output for this? 0, 1 only. Yes. So because it is a comparator already this. With 2 inputs iste 0, 1 and input iste output em vastundi 0, 1 vastundi. So 0, 1 input value ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ 0, 1లో మినిమం ఏంటి 0 అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది టాప్లో అండ్ 1 అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 2, 6 0, 0 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు 0, 0 వచ్చింది అవుట్పుట్. నెక్స్ట్ 3, 7 1 0 వచ్చినప్పుడు 1 0లో స్మాలెస్ట్ ఏది 0 కాబట్టి అవుట్పుట్ ఇక్కడ 0 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 1 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 4, 8 మీన్స్ 1 0 ఏమొస్తుంది 0, 1. సో వన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ హాఫ్ క్లీనర్లో ఇన్పుట్ వైర్స్ని కంపారిటర్స్ కనెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది 2 హాఫ్స్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ దట్ మీన్స్ 8 క్లీనర్ కాబట్టి 8/2 first one and 8/2 second one. So first 4 is 1 half and second 4 is 1 half. So what it says 8 cleaner half cleaner 8 first one. Every output element of the top half is at least as small as every output of the bottom half. So top half వచ్చి bottom కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. What is top half? 4 zeros. So less than the next 4s. So కాబట్టి automatically less than first condition satisfied half cleaner. Next both halves are Brytonic and at least one half is clean. So both halves కనపడితే మనకి Brytonic sequence అవ్వాలి. Next one half is this one. See. This half is clean. Only zeros వచ్చాయి. Next half లో Brytonic sequence. Next you take one more comparison network. So in the above Brytonic sequence as input and generate 2 halves 0, 0 top half clean and 1, 0 bottom half is Brytonic sequence. So this is the half cleaner. Sometimes you will get an example or explain what is half cleaner. Half cleaner is the stage of Brytonic shorter. So the half cleaner, you take the 8 half cleaner. So first you connect the wires and generate an output 8/2 first half, second half. In first half must be less than second half and one half is clean. So take another example. This is one more comparison network. Here I have taken the input is different. So for this I have to use 2, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 7, 4, 8. I have connected the wires. These are the comparators. 4 comparators I have taken. As for the output is C comparator. First comparator input is 0, 1. Output is will get 0, 1 only. Next 0, 1. Again we get 0, 1. Next 1, 1. We get 1, 1. Next 1, 0 we get 0, 1. Now in this see 2 halves. 1 half is clean because the bottom half is clean. Now that means clean in the sense 4 ones must be 4 output wires are same, either zeros or 1. Previous example all zeros. Here bottom is either of the half is clean. So top half, bottom half is now is clean. Again it is in Brytonic sequence. So the above figure takes the Brytonic sequence as input and it generates 2 halves 0, 0, 1, 0 is the Brytonic sequence, increasing and decreasing order. Brytonic sequence, first half is Brytonic sequence, next and second one is clean, bottom is clean. So this is an example. Now we'll see an example. Now we'll see off clean. This is information regarding off clean. Now see Botanic sorter. So which is a comparison network that sorts Botanic sequence. The first stage of Botanic sorter n consists of half cleaner n, which produce two Botanic sequences of half of the size such that every element in the top half is at least as small as every element in the bottom half. So already you see we can complete the sort by using two copies of Botanic sorter by 2 to sort the two halves recursively. Now how we are going to sort the Botanic sort? Now we take the Botanic sorter, 8 elements. Now this Botanic sorter is the sorting with the help of half cleaners. Now n by 2, n by 2, 8 by 2, that means Botanic sorter of n by 2. This is the Botanic sorter. We are giving the input to this Botanic sorter. Now it becomes two halves. Botanic sorter n by 2, Botanic sorter n by 2. So this is half cleaner, what we call actually. So 4 inputs దీనికి ఇస్తాము, 4 inputs దీనికి ఇస్తాము. Now finally we recursively call these two to get the sorting order. So we will see. First Botanic sorter will prove for 0-1 sequence, 0-1 principle. First we have to prove that this particular Botanic sorter work for the 0-1 sequence. So ఇది సీక్వెన్స్ ఇస్తాము. నా Botanic sorter ఏం చేయాలి, అవుట్పుట్ జనరేట్ చేయాలి. సో Botanic sorter లో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, n by 2 n by 2. సో 1 5 2 4 2 6 3 7 and 4 8. సో దీనికి అవుట్పుట్ చూడండి, 1 5 0 1 0 1 అంటే 0 1 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 2 5 2 5 అంటే 0 0 0 0. నెక్స్ట్ 3 7 3 7 మీన్స్ 1 0 1 0 అంటే 0 1 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 0 0 1 వస్తుంది. So this is the output generated by this one. After this one, you take the length. This is the length 4. Next length 2 you take. Length 2. Length 2 means so 1 3 1 2. Next 2 5. Next 4 7 5 8. So length 2 తో సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. Length 2 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. Length 2 తర్వాత length 1. This is the length 4, length 2, length 1. This entire thing is at depth 1, depth 1, depth 2, depth 3. So first 4 length తీసుకుంటాం, అంటే 4 ఫస్ట్ 4th కంపేర్ చేస్తాం, సెకండ్ 6th, థర్డ్ 7th, 4th 8th. నెక్స్ట్ 2 లెంత్ తీసుకుంటాం, 2 లెంత్ కంపేర్తో చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ 1 length means A1 A2. Finally we get the sorted order. So comparison network for Botanic sorter. The comparison network takes the input sequence and generates sorted order using Botanic sorter. So this is the working condition of Botanic sorter. So once again I repeat, Botanic sorter work based on the half cleaner stage. First you have to take the input values, it give it to the Botanic sorter n. This generates two half cleaners, Botanic sorter n by 2, Botanic n sorter. So calling recursively this one and this one, you will get the sorted order. For that we use the half cleaner concept. Half cleaner I have explained already. So in the examination we will get explain the Botanic sorting techniques అంటారు, half cleaner అంటారు. సో అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, Botanic sorter టెక్నిక్ అంటే డిజైన్ టెక్నిక్ ఇది రాయాలి. Sorting design technique. So Botanic sorter explanation ante idi ivalli, which is comparison network that solves Botanic sequence. The first stage of Botanic sorter n consists of half cleaner n, which produce two Botanic sequences of half of the size such that every element in the top half is at least as small as in the bottom half. This is half cleaner. You can complete the sort by using two copies of Botanic sorter n by 2 to sort the two halves recursively. ఇది Botanic sorter n ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దీన్ని 2గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం, Botanic sorter n by 2, Botanic sorter n by 2. ఈ రెండింటి రికర్సివ్ కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు వస్తుంది. ఇలా చేసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ యువర్ Botanic sorter వర్క్ ఫర్ ద 0-1 sequence. If it is work for 0-1 sequence, then automatically it work for the any arbitrary numbers. సో 0-1 సీక్వెన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు 8 ఇన్పుట్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కంపారిజన్ నెట్వర్క్, బైటానిక్ సార్టర్ అప్లైయింగ్ కంపారిజన్ నెట్వర్క్ ఫర్ బైటానిక్ సార్టర్. దట్ మీన్స్ బైటానిక్ సార్టర్ ఇంటర్నల్ యూజింగ్ ద కంపారిజన్ నెట్వర్క్ కాన్సెప్ట్. కంపారిజన్ నెట్వర్క్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కంపారిటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. కంపారిటర్స్ ప్రతి కంపారిటర్ కూడా 2 ఇన్పుట్సే తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇక్కడ 4 లెంత్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ 4 లెంత్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ టు 1 2 3 4 4 లెంత్. నెక్స్ట్ 1 2 3 4 అంటే 2 6 3 7 4 8 1 5. దిస్ 4 లెంత్, వాట్ యూ కాల్ 4 లెంత్ కంపారిటర్. నెక్స్ట్ 2 లెంత్ తీసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ 1 లెంత్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో కంపారిటర్ వేసినప్పుడు మీరు కంపారిటర్కి ఇన్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది, అవుట్పుట్ మీకు తెలుసు. అవుట్పుట్ రాస్తాం ఇక్కడ. ఈ కంపారిటర్స్ 4 కంపారిటర్స్కి అవుట్పుట్ ఇది. ఈ 4 కంపారిటర్స్కి అవుట్పుట్ దిస్ వన్. ఈ 4 కంపారిటర్స్కి అవుట్పుట్ దిస్ వన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ అవుట్పుట్. దిస్ ఈస్ A1 to A8. This is B1 to B8. So once bitanic sorter is over, we'll get the output as B1 to B8. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇన్పుట్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇచ్చాము. This is the input sequence I have given. So increasing order, then decreasing order. So మీరు బైటానిక్ సార్ట్ చేయాలంటే యువర్ సీక్వెన్స్ మస్ట్ బి బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్. సో ఇచ్చిన సీక్వెన్స్ బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్ కదా చూసుకోవాలి. బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఫస్ట్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది, తర్వాత డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి 0 0 1 ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది, తర్వాత డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్. బైటానిక్ సీక్వెన్స్ని కంపారిజన్ నెట్వర్క్కి ఇన్పుట్గా ఇచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ 4 లెంత్ని కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాము, 2 లెంత్ కంపారిటర్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను, 1 లెంత్ కంపారిటర్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను. 4 length comparator means we have to each comparator connect 2 inputs with 4 length అంటే 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8. This is the 4 length comparator. Next 1 3 2 5 2 4. Next 4 7 4 6. Next 5 8. This is the 2 length comparator. Next 1 length comparator. 1 length means A1 A2 A3 A4 A5 A6 A7 A8. ఇలా కంపేర్ చేసుకుని అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మీకు అవుట్పుట్ సార్టెడ్లో వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ సార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ 0-1 sequences using bitanic sorter. So go through this video one more time so that you can clearly understand. Thank you.